Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. Today I give review on this Patanjali Face Packs. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so then you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. Flawless skin has always been dream of every girl like me. So today I will review Patanjali 2 face pack. One is Patanjali and Neem-Aloe Vera with cucumber face pack and the second one is Patanjali Multani Mitti face pack. So I found it in a local Patanjali store and become very impressed by the ingredients it contains and the price. So I purchased it without giving it a second thought. So let's talk about the first face pack, which is Patanjali Neem-Aloe Vera with cucumber face pack. It is a product of Patanjali Ayurveda and it claims that it clears clogged pores, cools, soothes and softens skin. But a unique blend of pure herbs for clear glowing skin. Neem full of antibacterial properties, regulate excess oil secretion, clear clogged pores, skin impurities, impart natural glow to your skin. And these are the ingredients which are used in this product. And the price of this product is 60 rupees. You can see here. And the product and the quantity which I get at this 60 rupees is 60 gram. So we get 60 gram of product at rupees 60. So the shelf life of this product is best before 18 months from the date of manufacture. So we are getting 1.5 years of shelf life in this product. So the main ingredients of this product is neem, cucumber and aloe vera gel. So the neem is antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral. At the same time, it is the best remedy for any skin problem. And aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory nature, whereas cucumber is well known for its cooling and hydrating effects. So how to use this product? Apply on wet face, massage gently, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. So let's talk about its packaging. So it comes in a simple plastic tube which closes with a click. This face pack has a smooth creamy texture which is not runny, hence its application becomes easy. You can see. So it is off-white in color, you can see here, with mild smell, and my skin type is very oily to medium, and this face pack cleanses my skin properly, leaving it refreshed, clear and hydrated as it claims. It controls my oil secretion but for a few hours only. This face pack is for all skin types. So this is the consistency of this face pack, you can see here. So we can use it very easily over our face. Okay, the second product was the Patanjali Multani Mitti with mineral clay and aloe vera face pack. A product of Patanjali Ayurveda, repairs, nourish and rejuvenate skin. A unique blend of minerals and clay for youthful glowing skin. Garika mineral clay tightens the skin, enhances blood circulation. Fuller earth removes deep impurities, cools and soothes the skin. Grit Kumari aloe vera possesses softening, healing and nourishing properties. Minerals like zinc oxide, aluminum and magnesium rejuvenate, repair and nourishes skin. So these are the ingredients which are used in this product, and the quantity which we got is 60 gram and the price is also the same, 60 rupees, and the shelf life is also the same, 18 months from the date of manufacturing. Uh, it is used for normal to oily skin, as it say. Multani Mitti is considered to be really good for the skin. I have used many homemade face pack of Multani Mitti and rose water during the hot summer. But when I saw this ready to use Multani Mitti pack, I just grabbed it. This also comes in the same simple tube packaging. This face pack is light brownish yellow in color, just like Multani Mitti. You can see here. It smells like some kind of sweet herbal fragrance, and the texture is soft, smooth, and creamy. The consistency is perfect, neither runny nor too thick. Such a texture makes application really easy. This pack dries up too quickly. Apply it on wet skin and wash it off after it dries. I think it takes 15 minutes to dry up, and wash it off with normal water. So overall, it is a must herbal product for every girl. It is enriched with so many good things which are really beneficial for skin. So I highly recommend this product to every girl. It is a must have skincare products at such an affordable price. It is extremely pocket friendly. So one con of this product is that the both face pack has a paraben. So these face packs are not paraben free. So that thing I dislike about this product. Otherwise, these face packs are really good. And if you want to use this product, then please go and check it, because these two face packs are so affordable. Like what you get in this 60 rupees nowadays, you are getting 60 gram of product in just 60 rupees. So these are so pocket friendly products which Patanjali are discovered. So at last I give 4 out of 5 to this face pack, because of only it contains paraben. So hope you like my review on this Patanjali face packs, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, feel free to ask me. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.